Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Reka AI on mobile browser. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your phone such as Chrome, Safari or Firefox. Within the address bar, type reka.ai, then tap Go, where it will redirect you to the official website. On the official website, look at Try Reka option, then tap on it. Now you will be redirected to the login page. Here you will be given two options. You can just continue with Google or log in using your email address. Please make sure to follow the same process that you used during the sign up. If you don't have an account, tap on sign up and create one. For me, I will tap on continue with Google, then tap on the Google account. And after logging in, you will be redirected to the official Reka AI dashboard. The layout is mobile friendly and easy to use. On the dashboard, you will see an explore section with different options. Within it, tap Reka Vision, where it will let you to work with images. You can upload an image and ask Reka AI to describe the image, analyze visual content, as well as answer questions based on the image. Within the Reka Research, it is for deep analysis. You can use it to research complex topics and generate detailed explanation. Now tap on Reka Chat. In the message box, you can just type a question or request that you want. Then tap send button to get response. The Reka speech focus on voice related features. You can use it for speech based instruction as well as audio understanding or generation if available. There are instructions given within it, so make sure to follow it. Now lastly, the Reka Clips help you with short form content. You can use it to generate ideas for short videos or work with clip based output. This tool opens its own workplace, so you can switch between them anytime from the dashboard. If you want to get the best experience, make sure to route your phone to landscape mode or use desktop side if needed, as some features may work better with a large screen. And that's it. This is how you can easily use Reka AI on a mobile browser. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.